Amani, please. No more?
So there is in one book about the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there is said that he got engaged with Hazrat Ayesha radiallahu anhu when she was only 6, and she got married when she was 12. Would you please put some more light about it? I haven't read any other literature about it. So I don't know about it.
She was not engaged when she was 6. Which is wrong. I have discussed this question in detail with reference to various traditions we find narrated by different narrators on this subject. And I held a discussion in depth on this issue. Various traditions contradict each other. So it takes a lot of effort to bring out the truth out of these divergent reports. So according to my investigation, Hazrat Ayesha Siddiqa Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha was not just before the year of Hijrah, and that describes her age to be around 12 to 13 years. And when she was married after Hijrah, she was fully mature according to the Arab climate and according to the reports, many reports about Arab girls during those hot climates to have reached maturity earlier than the normal age of 18 or so, whatever it is. But we know this very often in countries of hot climate. There we know some girls are married at a very young age and they are capable of bearing children. In our own family, Hazrat Mirza Bashir Ahmed Sahib was married to his would-be wife while she was less than 14. And she bore him the first child out of that marriage. So it can happen. We know that it happens. So if a girl bears children, how can you call her underage? So all these allegations of Rasulullah marrying an underage girl are totally false. Please.